Now you are supposed to know how to calculate the goodwill. I will write the problem in the board. First one, capital employed is 10,000. Second one, profit for the last 5 years. First year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 2,000, 5,000. Normal 4,000, second year is 6,000, third year is 8,000, fourth year is 2,000, fifth year is 5,000. Normal rate of return is 10%. Interest on investment 200. Number of year of purchase 3 years. Now we are supposed to calculate goodwill in all the methods. Now first method here is average profit method. First method, average profit method. How the goodwill will be calculated? If you talk about average profit method, first step should be calculation of average profit. Now, average profit is equal to 4,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000 plus 2,000 plus 5,000 divided by number of how many years? 5 years. 5 years. So average profit you can get here is total how much you get? 25,000 divided by 5. That should be average profit is 5,000. Now, if there is a interest on investment, that should be get deducted from average profit. What is the interest on investment here? 200. So this should be 4,800 as average profit. Now, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year of purchase. So 4,800 into what is the number of year of purchase? 3 years. Goodwill as 13,400. Now, second method here is capitalization of average profit method. Capitalization of average profit method. The formula here is average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Average profit to be found here 4,800 into 100 divided by normal rate of return is given here 10, should be 48,000 as goodwill. Yeah, and a second method. Next, third method, super profit method. Calculation of goodwill under super profit method. Super profit method. Super profit method. profit method supposed to do? Now, first we are supposed to calculate here average capital employed. But in this particular case, which is given directly here, capital employed, that should be assumed as average capital employed, which is 10,000. 10,000. Now, second step here is the first step, calculation of super profit. Second step here is calculation of expected profit. How the expected profit will be found here is average capital employed into normal rate of return. Now, average capital employed here is 10,000 into normal rate of return is given in the problem here is 10%, 10 by 100, so should be 1,000. Next step here is calculation of average adjusted profit. Average adjusted profit. We found already average adjusted profit. We found average profit, that is for 25,000 divided by 5, that is 5,000 minus interest on investment already found, that is 4,800. Next step is calculation of super profit. Calculation of super profit, which means average adjusted profit minus expected profit. So average profit we found as 4,800 minus expected profit is 1,000, should be 3,800 as super profit. Now, next we are supposed to find out what should be the goodwill under super profit method. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year of purchase. Number of year of purchase. So, what is super profit did we found? 3,800 into number of year of purchase is 3. So, goodwill is equal to 11,400. 11,400 under super profit method. The last method here is capitalization of super profit method. Capitalization of super profit method. Calculation of goodwill under capitalization of super profit method. Super profit method. Here you are supposed to apply the formula goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. So, super profit we found here is 3,800 into normal rate of return is into 100 divided by normal rate of return is 10. So, goodwill is equal to 38,000. Now, the homework for the students. Question bank, page number 67. Question bank, page number 67. page number 67. Page number 67. Question number 3. Question number 3. We are supposed to work out in the home. Here the information I will read out once. Profit for the business for 5 years. 2008 53,000, 2009 50,000, 2010 42,000, 2011 45,000, 2012 40,000. Normal rate of return is 10%. Normal rate of return is 10%. Assume that additional managerial remuneration rupees 6,000 will have to be incurred in future. See, try to understand 6,000 is like interest on investment. How I adjusted interest on investment. Managerial remuneration is also a non-recurring profit. Interest on investment is also non-recurring profit. Managerial remuneration also non-recurring profit. That should be deducted from average profit. Average profit. Managerial remuneration. Same adjustment. Calculate goodwill under purchase of average profit method. Average profit method. If the number of year of purchase is 4 years. Here he asked only one method, average profit method. What you are supposed to do? All the profit add together, divided by number of years. Number of years divided by 4, you will get average profit. From that average profit minus 6,000, you will get adjusted profit. That into number of year of purchase. Here is 4 years. Multiply that 4 years, you will get a goodwill. That's all he asked here. Only one method. Question number 4, page number 68. Page number 68, question number 4. I will read that. From the following information, capital employed is given, which indicates that is supposed to go for super profit method. Capital employed 1,50,000. Normal rate of return is 10%. Net profit for the last 5 years. First year 14,400, second year 15,400, third year 16,900, 17,400, 17,900. The average non-recurring profit is 1,000. Average non-recurring profit is 1,000. You are required to calculate goodwill under 5-year purchase of super profit method and capitalization method. As similar to the first problem, what I worked out here. There is no new adjustment here. Here also there is a non-recurring profit that should be deducted from the average profit to get average adjusted profit. But we are supposed to work out everything. Including average profit method, capitalization method, average capitalization, super profit method, capitalization of super profit method. You are supposed to work out in home.